Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park. I just wanted to shoot you a quick video today on how to use and how to locate the teen driver mode setting in our new Chevy MyLink radio. So first off, we're going to hit settings. We're going to go to vehicle, and then we're going to scroll down until we see teen driver mode. We're going to enter our 4-digit PIN that we personally create when entering teen driver mode. First thing you're going to want to click on is manage settings, because this is actually how you're going to control what your teen can and can't do. So for example, you can see you can actually set your audio volume limit for how loud the car can go. You can set a speed limiter, so this is at 85 miles per hour. You can choose to have that on or off. And then you can also set your teen driver speed warning. So you can choose to have a speed warning when your teen hits 60 miles per hour, 65, whatever you may choose. This last thing down here is an explicit content finder. So you can choose whether or not you want your kid to be listening to explicit music or not. Now when we go back, we can click view report card, and this will give us all of the information on our teen's latest drive. And this is pretty much how you use teen driver mode. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Have a great day.